Hello, hello. I've got a really quick video for you here of a basic product, but you know, it's something that everybody wants, everybody needs for that matter anymore. I just got the S9 and I did need a new micro SD card, and of course I was asked to review one. So, I've never heard of this company, so I'm really curious to try them out. It's AUAMOZ. AUAMOZ is the company, and it's a 64 gig. Class 10 UHS-I high-speed memory card. It's $25.88 on Amazon right now. 80 and 20 read and write speeds, megabytes supposedly. I'm going to test them out there. It's orange and white. Looks fairly common like any other micro SD card. Let me test it out and we'll see. Link to the full review will be down below for you in the description. But that's about it. On Amazon, it's called the AUAMOZ micro SD card, 64 gig, AUAMOZ micro SDXC, class 10 UHS-I, high-speed memory card for phone, tablets, and PCs with adapter. Again, $25.88 prime shipping. It's not bad. It says waterproof, temperature-proof, shock-proof, X-ray-proof, and magnet-proof as well. So, not bad. Let me test it out and I'll let you know how it is. Thanks.